Hi everyone, today we are making delicious Sabudana Vada, a perfect snack for Navaratri that you can enjoy while fasting. Let's start by washing 1 cup of Sabudana and soak it for around 2-3 hours. Make sure your Sabudana is well soaked. Drain any excess water from the soaked Sabudana. In a bowl, combine Sabudana, mashed potatoes. If you like, you can add coriander leaves and peanut powder. You can add 1 green chili if you want it a little spicy. Season it with some spices like red chili powder, salt, ginger powder, and amchur. Mix everything well until it forms a dough-like consistency. Grease your hands with a little oil and shape the mixture into small round patties. Heat ghee in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, gently add the vadas and fry them until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. Remove them and drain on paper towels. Serve your hot sabudana vadas with some spicy peanut chutney or green chutney. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Thank you for watching.